Viking Bags is a US-based company, and as the name suggests, they are specialized in riding gears, specifically bags for motorcycles. They cover a wide variety of brands and makes and models. Currently, this is my setup on my BMW R nineT Urban GS. As you can see, I already have my pannier racks on, and I have the aluminum 10-liter hard cases. This Viking bag, it's called Incognito 10-liter soft saddlebags. They are single, so they sell them for the left and right separately. My first impression, they feel quite heavy, but not in a bad way. They feel more like heavy duty. And then on the back, you get to see the mounting pattern, right? Just for the sake of comparison, I think I was wrong about my aluminum hard cases being 10 liters, because if this is 10 liter, fairly smaller than my aluminum ones, it means these aluminum ones are probably 15 liters, right? So first thing first, I need to remove these, which is pretty simple. You know, it has a latch. I think it's standard between all the pannier racks. It has a latch behind it. So I pull the latch and I simply lift this and it's already off. Same as the one on the left. So remove this one. It has a special mounting system, which is included, right? So this is the hardware mounting system. So it fits right in place. But I need to remove the mounting for the panniers first. Europeans love these star wrenches. I'm gonna remove this one. And there is a number 13 right here. Okay. Easy. I love how clean it looks right now. I was able to secure the mounting bracket, but I gotta admit something. This is a perfect fit for a unmodified R nineT for my specific bike, because the rear end of the bike is been modified. So this rear fender is aftermarket and I have a tidy tail kit installed. I wasn't able to put a screw in there. So technically I need to put a hole right in this bracket, which is fairly easy. 3-point of contact here and then 3-point of contact here, right? So it has to go like this. Really? That's it? That's about it, right? You pull this, you lift this, and then they all come off, right? What you're gonna do, you're gonna align this with center right here, and then align all three, and then push it down, right? And it locks it in place. It goes right here, okay? It feels pretty good. Good access on the left and right, even when you are on the saddle. The top part is leather. The body, some kind of water-resistant canvas. The buckle is metal, you know, it's not breakable. There are a lot of hoops and loops that if you want to mount anything else, like outside of the bag, you can use these to kind of attach those. It's more like a tactical saddlebag. And then when you open this, there is a pouch. These keys are mainly to lock and attach the bag to the frame, right? So you gotta make sure you're not losing this key. Inside this bag is 100% waterproof. So when you open this, right, this is like a dual layer pouch. There is a wet bag here actually. Obviously it's not wet, but the point for this bag is you have been riding under the rain and you know your jacket got wet. or you went for swimming, you had towels whatsoever, you can put them in this, so it's not gonna expose the moisture to your belonging in the bag. Both of them, they have handles. It means that you can, if you're leaving your bike, it's so easy for you to just simply pull the bag and take it with you because they're not lockable. It's very easy for people to just, open the lid and access your belongings. Even though there is a key that you can lock the whole bag to the mounting. As far as the build quality, honestly, it feels really good. Even though these are soft bags, but it's not one of those soft bags that they don't have any frames. Now both of them are empty, but even on the empty shape, they're very solid. They look the same, not that when you fill one of them, it gets bulky, and that's good because like aesthetically, you have that balance between left and right. I'm kind of curious to compare these to my hard cases and see like what are the differences. Hard cases are fairly rugged. If you are going through some adventure rides, if there is a chance that you're gonna drop your bike or you're gonna scratch the side of your bags, obviously nothing is gonna happen to your hard cases. They last forever. They are perfect if you're going to a long adventure. You are able to lock these cases. Works like a safe box. Nobody can access the inside, nobody can remove it. They are kind of an overkill for a daily, commuting to work or commuting through the weekend. They are kind of clunky. It's not easy, like when you hit your legs to them, you may hurt yourself a little bit. And in the other hand, the access is not that easy. With the soft cases, I can simply, lean over, even if I'm on the bike, lean over, open the buckle, and then, access the inside. I can't do that with my eyes closed, right? But that's not the case with at least my hard cases, right? You have to have the key. It's not easy. It has a mechanism that you need to open up more like an ammo case and then open it like this. For my commute to work, for riding with friends, for going to cafes, for daily rides, for weekend rides, I'm gonna stick to these because they are pretty convenient. I much prefer these because it's so easy to use. And lastly, as far as the aesthetics, I like the aesthetics of the Viking bags. They look kind of stealthy, They're not bulky and they don't look huge because they are black. They kind of go well with the whole silhouette of the bike. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this was helpful. By the way, these bags, I think they are going anywhere between 150 to 170 for each side. But again, you can always reach out to vikingbags.com to see all the lineups. They have a wide variety of bags for a wide variety of like motorcycle brands. Good luck. Ride safe, and thanks again for watching this video.